when ordering your nets, to ensure that you get the proper size for your rack, the dimension that we need to be provided is the inside dimension, inside wall to inside wall of your rack. So this dimension right here. And then also provide us the thickness of this rail, you know, whatever this dimension is here and here. That way we know exactly how to size the net for your specific rack. Well, as you can see from the design, as opposed to the old design where they did a whole wall stretching the entire length, we designed the net so that it's only one individual shelf. That way, when if you have to replace one, you're not shutting down your entire operation at this station to replace one net. So it makes replacement and installation extremely easy and cost effective.